Where'd they all go? Oh no. No, it's right. What you looking for, August?
Let's see if we gotta get this if it works. It's the old the new timer.
I'm not getting in it. Trying to get you in it, but
I can't find my thing.
what?
Look at this boat.
Yeah, I bet he's fast. You want to get it for the bathtub?
Yeah.
You want to get it for when you take a bath?
That's a good idea.
Huh? Here, let me hold it for now. I'll hold it for you.
Look at this strong.
For who? No way. Oh my God. Don't encourage it.
What's that?
Let me see. That's a hair dryer.
It's not work.
It blows your hair dry when you get out of the bathroom.
It's not work.
Put it back. Look
It's
at
not
something
work.
else.
Look at this.
That's a little girl's castle. That's for a girl. That's a fairy castle.
I need some puzzles.
Look at that castle. Pretty castle. He's done with all these musical toys, isn't he?
Look at this star cutter.
That's an airplane. It's an airplane. Look. August, look at this one too. Just like it. Yeah.
Big
Two
one.
of them. Yeah. Two of them. Of course it crashes into it. Come on. You're only looking at one area. Move along, boy. Man, the plane sings. There's another one just like it right there. Oh my Lord. Batman's lair. Look at the truck down there on the bottom. You got animals in it? Dinosaurs in it? Right here. Look. What's in that? August?
Look at that.
Got it all taped up.
Oh, that'd be a good gift for
Yeah,
Chance.
those tops, too.
It's expensive. That's that Melissa.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
gonna get it
expensive.
for Christmas.
Y'all are making hard.
Yeah, man.
Good eye. Thank you.
You liking this toys?
Yes.
Look, look at that.
It's a baby.
It's a baby.
Look at this.
Look at this. Look. Let me see your arm. It's too big. I think.
Too big.
What is that? Big watch?
Look.
That's not baby.
I don't know what it is.
That's a tracker, decoder. Helps the mothership find you. Alright. You like it?
I like this.
Look at that big gun right there. What is that?
Big one. It's a fire truck.
Fire truck, ain't it? Go fire truck. Hmm?